Hi, I'm Jen from Trotman Indigo, and I'm going to quickly show you how to search through the university profiles and how to find the uni rankings table on Indigo. Start by logging into your Indigo account and clicking on this Explore Unis tile. This will take you to our full list of uni profiles laid out in alphabetical order. Now you can search through all the options in this directory like this, or you can filter to see only the most relevant options. If you already know the uni profile you'd like to look at, you can type in the name in the search bar here. Or if you know the area and the country you want, maybe to be close or far away from home, you can filter by region. If you have a pro account, you can see the unis you've liked before by clicking on this little thumbs up, or if your teacher has suggested a uni to you, you can see that by clicking here. Indigo also has a really handy tool so that you can see the university rankings and stats in a really easy to read table. From this page, all you have to do is click on the Rank Unis button here. This takes you to the full list of unis with the rankings from all the key places in one table, as well as our Indigo rank, which is an average of all the others. You can see every uni on the list, or you can click on this to see only your liked uni profiles next to each other. You can also see some important stats about the unis by flicking this switch and can again filter by liked profiles. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions about this video or there are any topics you want us to cover in other videos, please leave a comment below or email us at hello@indigo.careers. Follow us on social media to get updates on Indigo and lots of free resources. And remember to subscribe to our channel to find all of our quick help videos in the future.